Okay, so the problem here is that in saber mode, okay, when you have dodgy wires, right, so the white lights come on. That's a standard function. It says that when you make a double hit, let's do this. The system hangs, so both white lights are on. I'll make a double hit. It hangs, so it won't reset anymore. We're going to investigate what the problem is and try to find solutions. Okay, so they'll be in separate videos. See, it's still hanged. So later, if it hangs long enough, normally, microcontrollers have this thing called a watchdog timer. If the computer hangs inside, he'll reset it for you. So if you wait long enough, it'll reset, but it's gonna be like 20 seconds. Oh, there you go. So it's reset, finally reset. Of course, you can't use it normally. So just try again. So it's only a very peculiar situation where it happens. The white lights have to be on, or at least one in this case, but I have them both on. And you have a double light. So obviously the problem is going to center around the power supply. Right now it's consuming a whole lot of electricity. Now if you do count the number of LEDs and average them out, about 10 milliamps for LED, and I count about 80 of them, it's around 800 milliamps. The power supply given is only 500 milliamps. That's the original power supply. But later on you'll find out that that wasn't the real issue. And we'll open it up and delve deeper. See you in the next videos.